Make your Instagram bio look stylish. Here's how to do it. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, at the bottom right, tap your profile icon. Tap on the Edit Profile button. Here you'll see the bio section where your current bio text is written. Simply select the text and tap Copy. Next, open any browser on your phone. In the search bar, type Change Font Style. You'll see many different websites that generate stylish fonts. Just open any one of them. You'll see a text box. Now simply paste the bio text you copied earlier into that box. We'll automatically generate multiple font styles for your text. Bold fonts, cursive fonts, and many more. Just scroll through and choose the font style you like the most. After selecting your favorite style, copy that stylish text from the generator website. Now go back to the Instagram app, tap on Edit Profile again, and open the bio section. Delete the old text from the bio and paste the new stylish font text that you copied. You can also add spaces or emojis if you want to make your bio look even better. Now click on Done. Now go back to your profile. And just like that, you'll see your Instagram bio now appears in a stylish new font. And that's it.